already bought one, but it's not behind us. We gotta go to my dad's house. Then we gotta pick up his truck to get to the so we can pick up the boat at Waddle's house. I hope you guys like the boat. I'll show you the boat later. Guys, we are at Waddle's house right now, and we're going in the truck now. And the truck looks like this. What's up my shop? It's a 4-hour drive. Hi guys, we are at Waddle's house and we going in the truck right now, and it's a 4-hour drive. It's very long, and I can't wait to see this boat, and I'll see you later, like I said. This truck is too high.
With real weight loss. My name is Ingrid, and I lost a total of 32 pounds with Dr. Eva's program, and you will feel so much better.
We are here. We are at the restaurant. We are trying to find a restaurant to eat, and we always to pick up the boat. The boat's name is Second Star to the right. Second Star is waiting for us. We are in the town in Havana. The fashion shoe. Let's see. Let's try this. I got the mac and cheese. Adie gets the mac and cheese too. Adie got goat cheese. What's the bad thing is, Adrie? She broke her sandal. She's barefooted.
Daddy put ketchup. Your daddy putting ketchup on this thing.
I bought it. I got ketchup and ketchup. Bye-bye, Adie Travel. And bye-bye to me, Banjoe Travel. I'll see you later on the boat.
What's on this shot,
I didn't get now this side. Okay, I'm back. I'm back in the truck, and we're going to pick the second star to the right. Daddy, where we in?
Havana, Florida.
We are in Havana, Florida. We bring a banana and a banana. Because I'm sorry, I can't take it right because you see these. I got 4 teeth lost up here. I call this a banana because it's yellow. It's a yellow truck. And I never see a yellow truck. Bye-bye. I'll see you when we get to second star to the right, the boat. I think I like this boat because is it a sailboat? Let me think. think it's a sailboat. That's what I think. You Adrian. She broke it. She broke it. And she left it in the house. Oh, boat is all the way up there? Okay, this is banana. This is why I call it banana, this truck. Because it's yellow. And it's stuck. It's like a banana. Ready to see it? Yellow. It's yellow. It's my Willow's truck. And this is his truck. I call it banana because it's yellow. You get it?
Isn't she? Okay, I don't know the song.
That's banana. Here it is, second stop to the line. Barefooted. Now let me see. Barefooted. Is that second stop? Hallelujah. Hi, Adrian. Hi. Okay, this is second stop. It's all day and night shift. It's like a door.
You like it?
Yeah. Come on. This one's yours. The sun shining.
That's going.
We'll make this boat show shine. Oh, mommy. How you like it? That is white. That's the nose to white. That's its name? Name it. They do like me, I do.
So these boats are full of surprises, and rule number one of owning a boat is learn how to change out your bearings. As you can see, they even make it 1 mile in a bearing booth. So I called the previous owner. He says he's got a spare bearing in here on their. Well, I'm gonna have to clean up this. Is it? So this is the spare bearing. Yeah, that one's not going to work. Just can't wait to be on the water. Alright, so we just replaced the other bearing set, and the previous owner said that these were serviced with fresh grease, but this is 2 miles down the road. You can never trust a seller.
We are back on the boat because the boat had a rebuild on the trailer, and the wheel, it looked like it was actually, we saw smoke when my dad looked up. Oh, the wheels on the boat go round and round. But on those small wheels, it actually did something. It was smoking, and we stopped and fixed it. And I'll now show you how it looks now.
That's the Capitol buildings. That's the Capitol of Florida.
That's the Capitol building, Tallahassee, Florida.
happy. Don't worry, be happy.
15 miles from home is these so-called brand new tires decided to blow. I felt like I've never been lied to so much on a freaking sale ever, but what can you do? In Nissan, you have the worst jack designs ever.
All right, we got the new tires. Let's go.
12:27, 17-hour trip. I'm trying to think their name is boat, pain in the
Don't worry, be happy.
I'm back. Last night, we actually got back last night, and it's 9 in the morning. It's almost nighttime. Mom's put up the boat. The second star to the right, that's the boat's name, and it's pretty tall. Bit kind of blowy, but it's pretty
Oh, we
tall.
figured out the rigging after an hour or two of marital bondage.
This is so good. It makes the boat steer. It's a pretty heavy little, but still pretty. And AJ got shots today at the doctor's. She got 4 shots, but she didn't cry. Because she was a big girl. She was watching Funny Kitty Cats when they was trying to get her a shot. And then we came back, and our cousins came. And then after that, we tried to set up the boat. Like that. The chicken. Hi, Duffy, are you excited with your new boat? What'd you worry about? He likes the boat. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you when next time we go sailing. Bye-bye. And tomorrow it's Father's Day, and I'll see you tomorrow. And well, it's not Father's Day tomorrow. We're celebrating Father's Day tomorrow, and we'll stay 3 days. And tomorrow we'll wake up early, and that's it. And after that, after that, we might go to the doctor's appointment for Daddy's surgery, and it'll be better. And Adrian's child was sitting over here trying to play video games.
Good job, Cass.
What are you doing? Playing video games? Playing video games. Okay, bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow in the morning. Smart girl, big world, let's travel it. I'm the Banjoe Traveler. Follow us on all adventures by subscribing to the channel. See you out there.